In grade 8, this is a beginner's parcel of rough opal from Lightning Ridge. Might be a bit tricky for a beginner to cut that one. Some nice color in there though.